ISPC stock, Ispecimen Inc., currently trading at 15.01%, a gain of 47.94%. At some point we saw a trade at around $16 and some fraction, which is a gain of about 63% or thereabout. So we know on Monday, 22nd of November, the company will speak to supply human biospecimens for COVID-19 research. Yes, and we know that there's now a new variant from Botswana, even much more potent than the Delta variant you've been hearing before. So could this be why ISPC is on the move again? Well, what is certain that we are maintaining this price target of 21.96, even though it got some resistance here at $16 and some fraction, and it dwelled there, and then the volume weighted average price caught up with it. But right now it has retraced and trading below its 10 and 20-day moving averages. Just got some support around $15-11, and is extending again, trying to challenge the resistance from the volume weighted average price, the 15 and 10-day moving averages. So those prices are, the volume weighted average price is 1566, the 10-day moving average is 1567, the 20-day moving average is 1609. It has caught up with the volume weighted average price right now. So momentum is improving, RSI is also improving. This is live. This is what's going on right now, live on the pre-market session of the 26th of November 2021. ISPC stock on the move, and we're just getting news that there's now a new, more potent COVID variant, by far more potent than you have ever seen it before. It has a constellation of all sort of variants in it. It is, infinitely very much, by far more potent than we have ever seen. And this plays into ISPC's hands. This is a company that is relied on to provide all of these specimens. So I can imagine market participants are feeling good about this stock. It's currently trading at $15.60 right now. Spiked in this pre-market session of the 26th of November, but it's really facing some resistance around where those moving averages and the volume weighted average price are right now. It has cooled off again. It has bounced off from them, now down at 15.20 or to be 15.21. The gain is now 49.12. Have the buyers thought otherwise? Are they not that keen anymore? Who knows? But we're still maintaining that $21.96. Not that far away from it. It's really possible. We call a price target of $13 and some fraction. That has since been exceeded. It was exceeded in the last full trading session, I believe. Probably, I think it was at some point it was achieved, the $13 price target, and we felt that maybe this next target, based on how things have gone, this next target of $21.96 could be the next one. So it's not that far away from it. Roughly about $5 and some fraction away from it. It's anything. It's possible. It can. There's a good chance it can reach there. So right now, momentum is okay. It's on the move there. The fast line of this 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is ahead of the slow line, and the RSI is just marking time there, just not really moving up, but not declining either. Not declining. The gain is now 51.47. It's really facing some challenge around that 15, or rather I'll call it $16 price figure. It's getting some resistance there. Really getting some resistance there. We have seen it. Is it $16? No, let's call it where the moving averages, they have continued to pose resistances. As they decline, they still decline, they still pose, they maintain their resistance on the stock. That's what we're seeing right now concerning the stock. So volumes we are looking at right now, we just saw 100, 200 cross the tape, 724,320 volume. That's the number of shares. Right now it's sloping downwards. It's declining, getting bearish slightly. The fast line has fallen below the slow line, so it's slightly bearish at the moment. The gain is now 48.82%. So we are maintaining this 21.96%. It may or may not be the day it's going to get it. It's going to get there, but this news of a new, by far more potent variant coming out from Botswana in South Africa is probably playing into the hands of ISPC. ISPC is going to remain busy gathering by specimens. That is what is likely. This is a catalyst. I think it is a catalyst for Ispecimening. So see what you make of it. We are maintaining our $21.96 price target. I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.